The Busan Metro, operated by the Busan Transportation Corporation, is the urban rail system of Busan, South Korea. The metro network first opened in 1985 with 17 stations. The metro itself consists of 4 lines, cover 116.5 kilometers of route and serving 114 stations. All directional signs on the Busan Metro are written in both Korean and English, and the voice announcement in the trains indicating the upcoming station, possible line transfer, and exiting side are all spoken in Korean, followed by English. Announcements at stations for arriving trains are in Korean, followed by English, then Japanese and Mandarin. All stations are numbered, and the first numeral of the number is the same as the line number, e.g. station 123 is on line 1. The metro map includes information on which station and which numbered exit from that station to use for main attractions. Photography in the Busan Metro is permitted. Busan Metro Line 1 is the north-south route. It is 39.8 km long with 40 stations. The line uses trains that have 8 cars each. Busan Metro Line 2 crosses Busan from east to west, running along the shores of Haeundae and Gwangali and then north over Yangsan. It is 46 km long, serving 43 stations. The line uses trains that have 6 cars each. Busan Metro Line 3 construction began in November 1997. Opening was delayed many times, but the Line 3 finally started service on 28 November 2005 with an 18.3 km long stretch serving 17 stations. Line 3 uses 4-car trains. Following the Daegu subway fire in 2003, it was decided during construction to install screen doors to all station platforms on Line 3. This is one of the few lines in Korea and in the world that have screen doors installed in every station. Busan Metro Line 4, also called the Bansong Line, is a rubber-tile metro system that serves north-central and northeastern Busan. The line was originally planned as an extension of Line 3, using automated guideway transit technology and extending from Minam to Ampayong. Line 4 includes 14 stations and 12.7 kilometers of route. The Busan Gimhae Light Rail Transit is a light metro system that connects the city of Busan to the neighboring city of Gimhae. The line opened on 9 September 2011. It is operated by B&G Metro. The line has 21 stations, including 2 stations, Daejeon and Sesang, where one can transfer to Line 3 and Line 2 respectively. Railway line along the coast being upgraded for commuter service with trains every 30 minutes, 15 minutes peak, to be extended to Taehuagang Station in Ulsan by 2019. Tickets are sold at ticket vending machines. On May 25, 2006, TU Media started to serve the entire metro network with SDMB service. The current SDMB transmission allows subscribers to receive television and radio reception on handheld device such as cell phone. With an investment of 11 billion won, TU Media installed 530 signal emitters to provide seamless reception in the entire underground system. Daily ridership is 904,350 of passengers. The total system length is 168.4 kilometers. Total number of the stations is 149.